Welcome back, beautiful people, into another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can open control panel, how you can use control panel. First, in search area, search control panel. Here you can see adjust your computer settings. From here, you can see view by category. In category, you can also change this large icon or small icon. So I'm going to select large icon. You can see it's changed many option and icon. And now select small icon. It will show you the small icon of your control panel. So I'm going to select category. With category, you can see system and security, network and internet, hardware and sound, programs, user account, appearance and personalization, clock and region, easy of access. So in system and security, you can customize your system and security from here. You can see security and maintenance, review computer status and resolve issue. You can scan your computer, or you can enable or disable your Windows Defender, Windows Security. There are many options available. You can check this out, which one is work for you. And here in user account, we already show you how you can change your PC name. Network and internet, if you have any issue to connect internet with your PC, you can go here and check this out, what type of problem you face, and you can solve it. In appearance and personalization, you can see taskbar and navigation, easy of access center, file explorer option and font. You can also change your PC font from here. Hardware and sound, you can adjust your sound or power option. Device, you can add a device from here, or you can add the driver, a device driver from here. You can adjust volume from here. In clock and region, you can change your clock time and region from here. I already show you how you can change your clock time and date. The program, you can also uninstall program from here. Or you can change default setting for media or devices. If you want to change any setting, you can change setting from here. From picture, you can see remove all disks. In easy of access, if I open this, you can see start speech recognition, set up a mic. You can enable this in your computer. With your voice, computer can operate. Computer can run any program, enable or disable this, enable or disable any program. In easy of access center,
Always scan this section.
here that you can start narrator, or you can start magnifier, start on skill keyboard. All this you can see in here. You can enable this. So guys, this is a quick introduction of control panel of Windows. I hope you understand this video and learn something new. Please subscribe this channel for more videos.